Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see a very simple chocolate pudding. This is an eggless no bake recipe and will taste so good. For the pudding, take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. To this add around 3 tablespoons of milk and give a nice mix. No lump should be formed. This is ready, set this aside. Now take around 1 cup of water in a pan. To this add around 5 grams of agar. If you are using agar powder, just take half cup of water because it will get dissolved very quickly. Give this a nice boil for around 5 minutes. Let the agar dissolve completely. Once the agar get dissolved, you can add around half a liter of milk into this. To this add 100 grams of chocolate. It can be compound or any other chocolate. Then pour the prepared cocoa mixture. You have to keep the flame low and add all these ingredients. Give a nice mix and then add half cup of sugar. Let us give this a nice stir until the chocolate and the sugar gets completely dissolved. You should not expect the mixture to get so thick. You can stir this for around 5 minutes. As we have added cocoa powder, it will get little thick like this. Now let us pour this into a bowl. The bowl can be of any shape. Let this cool down a little bit. Once it cools down, let us keep this in the refrigerator. This will get set within 1 or 2 hours. So here the pudding is ready. Let us take it out. Turn the pan and gently tap it. The pudding will come out very easily. Dust some cocoa powder. The pudding will be silky smooth and will taste so good. So our delicious chocolate pudding is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.